Account locked on Robinhood App Fix. You open the Robinhood app to check your stocks or crypto balance and suddenly, your account is locked. It's one of the most stressful moments for investors, but don't panic. Here's why it happens and exactly how to fix it. Robinhood locks accounts mainly to protect users. Multiple failed login attempts, logging in from a new device, or suspicious trading activity can all trigger an account hold. It's designed to prevent unauthorized access, not freeze your funds permanently. To unlock your account, go to the Robinhood login page and tap Forgot Password. Enter your registered email, follow the reset link and create a strong new password. Once done, try logging in again. If that doesn't solve it, check your email. Robinhood often sends an alert explaining why your account was restricted, for example, an identity verification issue or flagged transaction. If the message directs you to contact support, go to help.robinhood.com and submit a request under Account Access. Include your full name, the email link to your account, and a short description of the issue. You may be asked to upload a government-issued ID for verification. Robinhood typically unlocks accounts within 1 to 3 business days once your identity is confirmed. To prevent future lockouts, always enable two-factor authentication, keep your login credentials secure, and avoid logging in repeatedly if you forget your password. While being locked out feels alarming, remember it's Robinhood's way of keeping your assets safe. Once you complete the steps, you'll regain full access and can get back to trading with confidence.